Exploring English. Let's go off with phrasal verbs. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on the verb go. In this video, we'll explore one common phrasal verb with go off. Let's get started. Go off is a versatile phrasal verb in English with a variety of meanings depending on the context. It is commonly used in both British and American English. 1. The first and quite common meaning of go off is when something like a bomb or an alarm starts to ring or explode. 2. Example: my alarm clock went off at 6 a.m. 3. Another common usage of go off is when food or drink is no longer fresh. In other words, it becomes spoiled or rotten. 4. Example: I think this milk has gone off. It smells sour. 5. It can also mean to suddenly leave somewhere or to depart without explanation. 6. Example: he suddenly went off without saying goodbye. 7. In addition, go off can signify that someone becomes angry suddenly or starts complaining about something. 8. Example: she went off at him for being late. Remember, like all phrasal verbs, go off can be a little tricky to use at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Here are some tips to help you master this phrasal verb. 1. It is an inseparable phrasal verb, which means you can't put the object in the middle of the phrase. You can't say, go the alarm off. 2. Pay close attention to the context, as go off has multiple meanings. It could refer to something making a sound, food spoiling, someone leaving suddenly, or someone getting angry. The surrounding words and overall situation will help you determine the correct interpretation. Now that we understand what go off means and how to use it, it's practice time. Try to make sentences with go off and use them in your daily English conversations. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. That's it for today's video on the phrasal verb go off. I hope you found it useful and enlightening. Don't forget to practice, as it is key to mastering these phrasal verbs. Until next time, happy learning, and keep exploring English in fun and exciting ways.